How to fix PowerShell popping up randomly on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your PowerShell keeps popping up randomly on your Windows device. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your task manager. In order to do that, right click on your start menu and here you will see task manager. Click on it and your task manager window will pop up on your screen. So once you open up your task manager, on the left side of your screen you will find different tabs. You just want to head over to the startup apps and here you just have to find terminal, and if your terminal is enabled like this, you just want to disable the terminal's startup. And once you do that, you just close out this menu. So the second thing that you need to do is go ahead and search for services on the tab. So just search for services, and once you open up your services, click on any of these services and search for Windows Update. And once you find Windows Update, you just have to scroll down to find it, and once you get to the Windows Update, double click on it and make sure that the startup type is automatic. Click on apply and then OK. If this is running, then you just want to stop this and then start it again. So this is the second method. And lastly, you just have to search for features. So on this option, turn Windows features on or off. What you need to do is find PowerShell 2.0. Just scroll down a bit until you see Windows PowerShell 2.0. Just turn it off and then click on OK. And once you do this, your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video.